Dile Que no. So what Dile Que no means is tell her no. Okay, so the man is literally going to be pushing the woman away. Yeah, he's telling her no. Okay, so to do that, we're going to start in a closed hand hold. So as a closed hand hold, the woman is going to have her man slightly to the back of the man's shoulder. So not directly on top, slightly to the back of the shoulder. And the other hand up high, holding his. As soon as he signals, his signal is going to be to drop you into a V-shaped hand hold. Now the difference between a closed hand hold this and a V-shaped hand hold is he is going to bring your hand down. So he's going to bring your hand from here down. When he does that, you're going to bring your other hand and rotate it very slightly forward. So your hand's going to go from on top of his shoulder to very slightly turned and forward. I hope you can see that. So I'm going to do that again from behind. So my hand is in a closed hand hold. He's going to bring my hand down. And I'm going to turn my other hand very slightly forward on his shoulder. Yeah? Okay, so we've got that bit, but what does it mean? Well, remember the men are always puppeteering us with their hands. So whatever they're asking us to do by moving our hands, this is what we do with our feet. So if we're in a V-shaped hand hold and he's bringing his hand down and through, he's asking you to bring your foot down and through. So that is going to be the first move of the Dile Que no. It's also your signal, that's the move you're going into. Okay, Dile Que no. Let's have a look at the footwork. So on a Dile Que no footwork, we're going to come back, 1. Replace on 2, together on 3. Forward on 5, go, start to turn on 6, and face on 7. So let's do that again from the same direction. Here we go. Turn out on 1, replace on 2, replace on 3, forward on 5, pivot on 6, together on 7. Let's do the same thing again from the other side. Here we go. Turn on 1, replace on 2, replace on 3, forward on 5, pivot on 6, together on 7. Now if I do this front facing, you're going to say I actually go quite pigeon-toed on beat 6. So here we go, we're going to go turn out on 1, replace on 2, replace on 3, forward on 5, pigeon-toe. So if I bring that back a little bit, pigeon-toe, see? My toe is turned slightly in on 6 to get me around 4-7. So I'll do that again. Here we go. Replace, So I'll do that again. Here we go. Turning out on 1, replace on 2, replace on 3. Forward on 5, pigeon toe on 6 to turn on our 7. Okay, so we're going to be using our 5 as a bounce again. We're going to be bouncing off that 5. So let's have a look at what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to be using our bounce by relaxing our knees, softening our knees. Here we go again, and we're going to be using it this time with our hand signals as well. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And again from this side, this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Lovely. And from the back it looks like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now remember this is salsa, we're going to be using a small grid, lazy hips, and really styling this up as well. So here we go, we're going to start in our closed hold position and then we're going to change to our V-shaped hold. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Lovely. And again from this side, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6,